Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Sendy. So Sendy is an amazing email marketing application which allow businesses to send bulk emails to their customers or clients at lower cost. So here I am going to show you step by step that how we can set up a connection between Sendy and Pabbly Connect in order to send our data from Sendy towards any other application automatically. Alright, and we are going to make this connection with the help of Webhook. So Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event automatically. Okay, so here with the help of Webhook, we are going to set up a connection between Sendy and Pabbly Connect to transfer the data from Sendy towards another application. Before moving forward, you can see that on my screen there are two windows, trigger and action. Now, trigger and actions are the basic concepts, or we can see these are the principles on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many actions as we want in our workflow. Now let's suppose because we want to set up a connection between Sendy and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. So we are going to take Sendy in our trigger, and for example, I want to send WhatsApp message to the subscriber who is created in Sendy. So I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API in my action step. But here we can clearly see that action is following the command of the trigger. Why? Because when the trigger happens, that means when the subscriber is added in Sendy, then only the message is sent to that subscriber with WhatsApp, otherwise not. Okay, so here after understanding the concept, let's start setting up the connection between Sendy and Pabbly Connect. So we have to go towards our trigger step first of all to start this automation. And here our trigger application will be Sendy. So let's select Sendy over here. Now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So we have two options over here, either new subscriber or new unsubscriber. So on the happening of whichever specific event you want to receive the response, you have to select that trigger event over here. I want that whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Sendy account, then I want to capture the response. So here new subscriber will be my trigger event. As we have done that, we can see that a Webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So we have to follow these instructions step by step to set up the connection, for which the URL which is received is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Sendy towards Pabbly Connect whenever a new subscriber will be added. So let's copy this Webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So first of all, you need to log in to your Sendy account. I have already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account, and this is the campaign which I have created. Okay. So you have to go towards your campaign, and then you have to click on this rule option from the left side. After coming over here, we have to click on this create a new rule. And then you have to select the trigger. So I want that whenever a new subscription will be added, then the rule should work. So on subscribe will be my rule over here. Okay, now we have to select the list. Which list you want to connect. So I want that whenever a subscriber will be added in this eligible customer list, then I want to receive the response. For that, we also have to select one action, that when the subscriber will be added in this particular list, what we want. We want to receive the response through Webhook. So trigger Webhook will be our action event over here. Now it is asking us for the URL through which we want to receive the response. This is the URL which we have already copied. Once again, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it over here. Done. In this way, you have to set up the rule, and now we are going to click on add. So the rule is added over here. You can see eligible customers. Now we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for Webhook response over here. So what we are supposed to do, we have to do a test submission over here by creating a new subscriber in the selected list so that the response could be captured. So once again, I'm going to take you back towards my Sendy account, and here we have to go towards view all list option. So these are all the lists I have in my account. Whichever list you have connected, you have to select that list. So this is the list which I have connected, eligible customers. I'm going to open this list, and here we will find the option of subscribe form. So with this, we are going to create a new subscriber. So let's go towards the subscribe form. And here this is the link of the form. So I will simply copy this and I'm going to open it in a new incognito window. So the form is open in front of us. Now when our subscriber is going to fill this form and submit it, then we are going to receive the response. So because we are doing a test submission, so I am going to submit this form as a subscriber. So let's say the name of the subscriber who is submitting the form is Smart User. Now I'm going to enter the email smartuser30@pabblytudes.com. Now the turn is a phone number, so I will enter a random phone number over here. Alright, now we will click on subscribe to list. and here the subscription is added. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will see that whether we have received the response or not. And yes, here we have immediately received the response. The trigger is subscribe. The name of the subscriber is smart user as we have added in the form. This is the list URL. That means the list through which the subscriber is added. This is the list name which we have selected, eligible customers. Here's the list ID. All right, here's the email address of the subscriber and the phone number. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now as we have set up the connection, now whenever a new Sendy subscriber will be added to the particular list which we have connected, then we will receive the response immediately, automatically over here in Pabbly Connect. Instead of new subscriber, if you want to go for the trigger event new unsubscriber, then you can also select that. In the same manner, you have to build this connection with the help of Webhook URL. And whenever a subscriber will be unsubscribed, then you will receive the response. Okay. Now, once you will set up this connection, you can send this data of the subscriber to any other application. For example, you can add this data to Google Sheets to create a record or MS Excel, or you can also send the subscriber details to your team members on Discord, Slack, or Google Chat, and you can even send the same subscriber an email that their subscription is received. Okay, so you can add as many action steps according to your requirement in your workflow to create the automation. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.